right, greetings and salutations from the adventure spot. We are on Ravine Flyer 2 at Waldameer.
I like the flags.
Yeah, and I love the American and Canadian flag because we're so close to Canada right now. Oh, and I can see the lake.
Oh.
I can see the lake.
Such a beautiful view.
Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Wow. Look at this. Look at this.
There we go.
Woo!
Ooh, a little delay there.
Woo! Oh, I got something in my eye halfway through. Woo! That was so much fun. Okay. Woo! That was exhilarating. Would you agree?
I would. I like the going over the parking lot. Was that what that was?
Over the street.
Over the street, yeah.
Over the street.
Yeah, not parking lot.
Oh my gosh. All right. This is our back row ride on Ravine Flyer 2.
Oh yeah.
And we are riding behind two of the coolest people ever.
Oh yeah. Subscribe to their channel, y'all.
I was not kidding when I said coolest people. He's making me cough.
Are you crazy?
You're making me laugh and it's making me cough.
We may get whipped over the top here.
Everybody hang on! Or hands up, either way.
Oh man, I love that one.
That worked.
All right, so much better in my opinion, the back than the front.
That was radical.
Oh my gosh!
On my face. You hear that one?
Initial thoughts.
Oh my gosh! 1,000 times more intense in the back. Super, super awesome.
Highly recommend.
Highly recommend.